Some of the important things to remember when you're considering the best solar system for your use is battery life, so the actual battery capacity of the unit itself, as well as the size of the solar panel. It becomes mission critical when you have assets on the road that may not return to the workshop or depot frequently. And one of the important things to remember when choosing the best solution for your use is things like the size of your solar panel, making sure that you have the maximum panel capacity available, and also the battery capacity itself. So how long will the product run on its own battery without solar charge? These become mission critical for assets that don't often return to your workshop or depot, and it becomes a key differentiator between other systems on the market that might be smaller in size, but in that instance, you're sacrificing the size of your solar panel as well as the capacity of the battery. And while on paper that offer might look compelling, it might become more affordable, it doesn't give you the results and the longevity that you will need in your system when making that initial investment. So think carefully about what you need to achieve, understand the specifications clearly, and if you're unsure, feel free to come and ask us, and let us help explain to you the differences and why we think that this would be the best solution for your business.